doing better than large cap. Let's go to Gaurav and understand what are the specific movers right now and what are the triggers behind them.
Well, yes. First, let's talk about Somany Ceramics, because if you look at the numbers, those were actually quite strong. Volume actually increased almost by 7% versus the estimate of 6%. The company also showed some improvement in EBITDA margins, and apart from that, company also said that in FY25 we may see growth which will be 2x the industry growth. And on the back of this, we saw the stock also reacted positively. Next, let's talk about Apollo Tyres, because although this stock is actually off from its day high, but it is still holding in green. And the reason being that if you look at the brokerages now, they are being a little bullish on this stock. JP Morgan upgraded the rating to overweight while also increased the target price to 555 rupees. If you look at Nomura also, they have also actually increased the target price to 512 rupees while upgrading the rating, because what Nomura believes is that the stock is actually at an attractive valuation given the FCF flow is going to be strong for the company. Next, let's talk about Oberoi Realty, because this stock has been gaining in trade since Tuesday. The company reported its numbers where revenue was up 37%, PAT was up 68%, and on the back of this we saw the stock was up 4% in yesterday's trade, and today also this stock is trading in green. It is almost up 8%, and it also hit its all-time high in an intraday trade today. Next, let's talk about Honeywell Automation, because we know that capital good companies are actually in focus on the back of the good numbers that they're reporting. And if you look at this number also, revenue was up 12% on a YY basis, PAT increased by 32%. And on the back of this, if we also look at brokerages, they are being bullish on this. Now, Nomura believes that revival in real estate, healthcare and hospitality can actually boost the profitability from here on. And if you look at the stock also, that is up 5% in a day today. Next, let's talk about Bharti Airtel, because here also we saw an upgrade coming up from brokerages. JP Morgan actually upgraded the rating to overweight rating with increased target price to 1500 rupees per share, because they believe that the tariff repair cycle can actually help the stock from here on. And the last two we have, the first one we have is Aadhar Housing Finance, and this stock is up 7% after a stellar listing that we saw for the stock, because now Akash Bansal, one of the top investors, has actually bought 22 lakh shares in the stock at 319 rupees per share. And lastly, let's also look at NCC, because the numbers came in strong. Revenue increased almost 31%, PAT was up 18%, and on back of this stock is also trading in green today. So all in all, on the back of these news, these are some of the stocks which are in focus in at least for our radar in day to day.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.